Forgotten username recovery failed on Dave Fix. You go to log into your Dave app, hit forgot username, and suddenly, nothing works. Maybe the recovery link never shows up or the app says your account can't be found. Don't panic, this is actually one of the most common login problems Dave users face, and the fix is simpler than you think. Here's the surprising truth: Dave doesn't really use traditional usernames. Your login is tied directly to your email address or phone number, the one you use to create your account. So, if username recovery keeps failing, the issue isn't a broken feature, it's usually that you're entering the wrong email or number. Step 1. Open your email app and search for old messages from Dave. Look for subjects like Welcome to Dave or Transaction Alert. The email address that received those messages is your true login email. Once you find it, open the Dave app or website and tap Forgot Password. Enter that same email and reset your password. After that, you should be able to log in without any issue. If you're still locked out, check your spam and junk folders for recovery messages, sometimes they end up there. And make sure your app is up to date. Older versions of the Dave app can cause login failures or blocked recovery links. If all else fails, contact Dave support by emailing support@cam or using the in-app chat feature. Provide your full name, phone number, and last 4 digits of your linked debit card. Their team will verify your identity and get your access restored quickly. So remember, when username recovery fails on Dave, it's not broken. It's just that the platform doesn't use usernames the traditional way. Identify your correct email, reset your password, and you'll be back in your account within minutes.